Welcome, Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make this Mexican rice. Very simple, easy to do, yet bursting with fabulous, delicious flavors. You're going to need 1 cup of rice. This can be a long grain rice, Basmati or Jasmine rice. 2 cups of vegetable broth. If you want to use chicken broth or just plain water, you may. 1 cup of chopped onions. You're going to look for this size of an onion. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. I'm using the basil, garlic, and oregano flavor. If you want to use plain, you may. 1 large garlic clove that I've minced. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 2 teaspoons of your broth base and seasoning flavoring. If you want to use like a chicken bouillon or vegetable bouillon, you may. If you want to opt out, you may do that too. 1 teaspoon of your dried cilantro. If you want to use fresh cilantro, you want to use anywhere from 2 to 3 teaspoons. And these seasonings are a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 of a teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic and onion powder. Let me show you how we're going to get this together. Over here on the oven top, I've got my large Dutch oven. This is 5 quarts over medium-high heat. I'm going to add the olive oil, and we're going to add the rice. Cook our rice until it's golden in color. This should take about 5 minutes. So use your timer, and if it's cooking too fast and it starts burning, be sure you turn down your heat. After 5 minutes of cooking your rice, you can see that golden color here on the rice, and it's going to give this rice a beautiful nutty flavor. We're going to add the onions. We're going to incorporate this well into the rice, and we're going to cook this for an additional 2 minutes. Continue to stir. That looks lovely, and then after 2 minutes, we're going to add that garlic. And you want to make sure you don't burn the garlic because you don't want a bitter flavor here in your Mexican rice. But we're just going to saute this around, continue to stir for another minute. We're going to add all those seasonings, that garlic powder and the onion powder, and the pepper. Ooh, that cumin. Ooh, it smells so delicious. Add that chicken-based flavoring, such as a chicken bouillon or a vegetable bouillon. That's optional. Add that tomato paste, just a big heaping tablespoon. Stir it around into the rice. We're adding the broth. Bring this broth up to a boil. Make sure you stir all your ingredients well together. Turn up your heat to medium-high. Once your liquid begins to boil, add the cilantro. Give it a lovely little stirring so you can incorporate that cilantro throughout your Mexican rice dish here. We're going to let it boil for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we're going to turn down the heat to low. Add a tight-fitting lid. Cook 15 minutes. Use your timer. No peeking. Time's up. Woo! I'm going to let all that steam out. And looky here. Oh, how fantastic is that? A lovely Mexican rice. Oh yeah, gotta give it a try. Smells absolutely fantastic. And if you're wondering the kind of rice I used a Basmati rice. Okay, here we go. Wow, absolutely fantastic. The flavors are fantastic. The cumin, garlic, onions, cilantro works out deliciously in this Mexican rice. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my YouTube food videos. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Thanks a million for watching. Hope you lovely people give this a try, and I'll catch you later.